Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Woodbridge, Virginia. Everything is coming along really well. We already have the synthetic underlayment stapled in place, and ice and water shield is installed along the rakes and also along the gutter line. Now, the type of shingle we're going to be installing on this home is called GAF Timberline HD. It's an excellent shingle. It has a wind resistance of 130 miles per hour if it's fastened correctly, which is most important, and it has a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Now, all the men on the job, everybody's wearing full safety harnesses, and now because of the coronavirus pandemic, all the men are wearing face masks, and we will keep on wearing a face mask until the pandemic is removed. So here they have a deck down below, so we put a top over it, but hardly any debris comes down on the deck. We throw everything right into the dump truck. Here you can see he's rolling out the synthetic underlayment into place, and then he's going to staple it. Also, along the pipe flanges, we're installing the Easy Sleeve. It's a lifetime manufacturer's warranty on the pipe flange. Most people use a standard aluminum pipe flange, and that only lasts for about 10 years before the collar starts to deteriorate. Also, once the shingles are installed, we're going to install the snow and country ridge vent right across the top, and that will relieve much of the warm moist air, and it will help prevent condensation buildup in the winter. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Woodbridge and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.